have the military's radar on the front left, so everything out on our left side is restricted airspace.
Bridge we were standing on. I didn't hear you, Baba.
We're about to descend down the coast known as Napale. Napale means the cliffs. Once home to 15,000 Hawaiians. There are no highways back here.
I'm convinced this is the most beautiful thing in the world, the Napale Coast.
Now descending into the valley of Nuololo. Human bones were found in this valley that dates as far back as 200 AD. So people have been living back here for a long time. First people believed to have come from the Marquesas Islands, which is near Tahiti, but 1,000 years after the Tahitians showed up. This valley is believed to be the site of the very first Hawaiian village. First two beaches, you start to notice there's an archway in between the two beaches you can walk right through. It's called the Honopu Arch. Then watch Pirates of the Caribbean, Stranger Tides. There's a scene where Captain Jack Sparrow runs on the beach. He goes through the archway and he's talking to himself. Visit our website bluehawaiian.com. We put a video clip of us flying Johnny Depp right into the beach down there dressed as Captain Jack Sparrow.
beach is at the end of the Kalulua Trail.
Right there. This is Kalalau Beach. So that's the 11 miles. Takes 8 hours to get there. It is a state park. Camping's allowed. Permits required. Summertime is when you want to do it, though. That beach is probably 5 times that size in the summer. The water's a lot friendlier also in the summer. These nice ridge lines over the beaches, we call these the cathedrals. It's featured in many, many movies. This big valley is Kalalau Valley, once hooked to 5,000 Hawaiian people living in this one valley. Last Hawaiian moved out of the year 1919. So this next valley is Hanakoa. There's a campsite in this valley too. There's a restroom, a pavilion with a picnic table. There's even a shower in here.
Have you seen these islands? Have you seen the beauty of this land?
Here comes the shower. There's no hot water in that shower though.
I see people down there.
Yeah.
Have you seen the ocean? Miles and miles of crystal deep blue seas. Can you smell the flowers? Fill the air with fragrances for free. This is aloha. This is aloha. This is aloha. This land of Hawaii.
Right in front of us on the corner is KA. This is the end of the road on the north side of the island where the hike starts for the Napali. Now to reach the end of the road, unfortunately, you need a permit. It wasn't like that until about 4 years ago. We're experiencing over 4,000 visitors approaching the end of the road per day, so we have to control the population. We decided to limit how many permits are given out.
So about a month ago, I got up at 4 a.m. and I got us a permit. We were there yesterday for about a couple hours on Key Beach.
Yeah, so this valley right here, you guys can hike to the back of this valley. There's a waterfall in the back you guys could swim at. That's one of the popular reasons why people like getting the permits. The waves must have been pretty big though out here.